Welcome to another Presello mini house tour, and today we'll be going around this brand new house and lot for sale that is heavily inspired by Art Deco, mid-century brutalist design, and so much more. As you enter your Art Deco main entrance, you will be greeted by a high ceiling foyer. So from here you have storage as well as access to the office here on the right side. So due to the shape of the property, you have lots of areas that are unique in shape, which I absolutely love because from a design standpoint, this is a beautiful challenge. So and you can see it here in the ensuite toilet and bath with your toilet, your sink. I mean, look at this. Ang ganda, may pocket pa na corner window doon. And then you have your shower area that's enclosed, and you have this rounded off glass, which you will see later. Well, you're not actually going to see it later in this particular video because you will see it in the full house tour over on our YouTube. And then crossing the foyer again, you have another set of doors that are also Art Deco inspired. And from here you will see your structurally beautiful and elegant main stairs. And then here on the other side, you have a few steps down leading to your living as well as your dining areas. Here in the middle, you have a bar that separates the two, but not completely. So it's still perfect for entertaining family and friends. And here is where you will see more of the Filipino-inspired design with the hollow blocks designed as sulihia. And this is intentional from the floor all the way up to the ceiling, as well as in the planter boxes in the upper floors. This is a design choice that ties up the Filipino texture design. That also extends to the mirrors, the adobe tiles, as well as the wood, and even to the bifold doors. And beyond these doors, you have your kitchen, and I love the layout of this kitchen. It's very practical and aesthetic at the same time. You have an island counter here in the middle with a lower bar attached to it in an L shape. You have lots of storage solutions, both opaque and transparent or clear. And of course, you have that perfect triangle setup with your refrigerator, your stove, and your sink over here. Now from here, you have access to the side and back of your property, but we're not gonna check that out because I wanna show you one of the bedrooms. Here on the second floor landing, you can appreciate your Capiz chandeliers, both from the living area as well as the foyer. Now here, also by the landing, you have a sort of sitting area or like a coffee nook by the corner. And speaking of corner, check this out. This is my favorite bedroom. You have all of the elements here, such as the sulihia hollow blocks, you have the capiz, the rattan, you have the exposed I-beams. So it's a mixture of brutalist, industrial, Bauhaus, mid-century Art Deco. It's lovely. And the shape, again, of the room is unique and follows the shape of the property, and so does the ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And this not the best shower you've seen in a good while, because I know I would love to live here, especially with all of the clerestory windows. Okay, obviously this is a very special home. This was in fact heavily inspired by Juan Nakpil, which you may know as the father of Philippine architecture, because the owner of this home is actually the great-grandson of said artist. So if you want to see the house tour, the beautiful house tour that we have over on our YouTube, make sure you head on over there. And if you like this one, give it a like and a follow, and I'll see you in the next one.